Until now, our code was quite repetitive. For example, in one of the previous exercises, we ordered the robot to move forward by 2 squares. To achieve this, we used the instruction robot.forward twice. Wouldn't it be better if we could make him move 2 squares by using a single instruction? The good news is that it's possible. By using the instruction robot.forward with a numerical value between the parentheses, we can make the robot move more than a single square. By default, if we leave them empty, our computer understands that the movement value is 1. However, if we indicate a value, say 4, our robot will move 4 squares. The numerical value must be greater than 0, or else the robot would not know what to do. In the code editor, let's get the robot to his goal by indicating a number in the instruction robot.forward. For this exercise, you cannot get the robot to his goal by simply giving him the robot.forward instruction 6 times.